Hey there! Did you know that over 40% of South Africans are now engaged in some form of side hustle? That's right. This trend is exploding, and it's not just a fad, it's a game changer for boosting your income in 2024. Let's dive into how these side hustles can really transform your financial situation. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about side hustles and why they're more important than ever in today's economy. If you're a South African looking to increase your income, you're in the right place. Side hustles can offer that extra cash flow you need to level up your financial game. Now, let's get real for a second. Many South Africans are facing some serious financial challenges. The cost of living keeps rising, and salaries just aren't keeping up. This is where side hustles come into play. Having additional income streams can provide you with financial stability and even help you save for the dream vacation or a new car. It's about creating opportunities for yourself and not relying solely on your 9-to-5 job. So, if you're feeling the pinch, don't worry. You're not alone, and there are plenty of ways to start making extra cash on the side. Alright, let's jump into the nitty-gritty. Here are 10 South African side hustles you can start today. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or web development, freelancing is a fantastic option. You can earn anywhere from 200 to 1,500 Rand per project. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to get started. Are you knowledgeable in a subject? Online tutoring can make you between 100 to 500 Rand per hour. Platforms like tutor.com or even offering your services on social media can work wonders. Dropshipping. This is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Your profit margin can range from 10% to 30% per sale, depending on your niche. Shopify makes it super easy to set up your store. If you have a blog or a social media following, affiliate marketing can earn you commissions of up to 50% for promoting products. Sites like Amazon or Takealot have affiliate programs you can join. Love animals? This can be a rewarding side hustle, earning you around 150 to 300 Rand per pet. Just create a profile on apps like Poshake and get started. If you're good with repairs or home improvements, offer your services locally. Repairs and home improvements involve a wide range of activities aimed at maintaining, enhancing, or fixing various aspects of a home. You can charge anywhere from 300 to 1,000 Rand depending on the job. If you have a knack for photography, consider offering your services for events or portraits. Photographers often need a good eye for detail, technical skills with camera equipment, and the ability to edit and enhance photos using software like Adobe Photoshop. You can charge from 450 Rand or more for a session. If you're crafty, platforms like Etsy or local markets are perfect for selling your handmade goods. Earnings depend on your products, but they can be quite lucrative. Many businesses need help with administrative tasks. Administrative services encompass a broad range of tasks that support the efficient operation of an organization. You can earn around 100 to 300 Rand per hour, depending on the tasks. Sign up with Uber or Bolt, or deliver food with apps like Uber Eats. Drivers have the flexibility to choose their working hours, and Bolt offers them a straightforward platform to earn money by providing rides. Now, if I had to highlight the most lucrative side hustle from this list, it's definitely freelancing. The flexibility, the potential earnings, and the ability to work from anywhere make it a top choice. Imagine being able to earn a full-time income just by working on projects you're passionate about. This hustle can truly transform your financial situation and give you the freedom to live life on your own terms. So there you have it. We've covered 10 amazing side hustles that can help you boost your income in 2024. Whether you decide to dive into freelancing, tutoring, or even dropshipping, each of these options has the potential to make a significant difference in your finances. Now, I want to hear from you. What side hustles have you tried, or do you have any other ideas to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on boosting your income and achieving financial freedom. Catch you in the next one.